Do you want to keep track of how many steps you take every day? Your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Galaxy Watch 6 make it super easy with Samsung Health. To do so, open Samsung Health app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. On the dashboard, look for the step card. As you can see, it shows your total steps so far today, synced directly from your Galaxy Watch 6. Tap on step card to see more detail. Here you will see a daily graph with your step goal progress, a breakdown of step by time of day, and even a comparison of your step with other Samsung Health user. If you want, tap the three dot at the top right and then tap set target to set your step goal. For example, you can set to 8,000 steps a day. You can keep walking with your Galaxy Watch 6 and your step will automatically update in Samsung Health on your phone. And that's it. Now you can stay motivated and see how active you are every day. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.